In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. First method is to reset Internet settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and then Status. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and wait for the computer to restart. The second method is to start a WLAN autoconfig service. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find WLAN autoconfig. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic and click Start if the service is not already running. Click Apply and then OK. Third method is to enable network adapters. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Enable Device if it's disabled, and restart your computer. The last method is to fix socket errors. Search for Command Prompt in the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Enter the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. And when you're done, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.